welcome to my kitchen again for another episode of What's Cookin' Coco. First of all, I just wanted to take this time and say thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and sharing my videos. I hope that you guys are loving them and that you're finding joy in cooking in the kitchen. So today we are going to be making a Parmesan crusted fried chicken, okay? So yes, we're frying today, so it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna try to make this quick and easy and as simple as possible, but yummy for your family, okay? Let's get started. What we're going to need is we're just gonna need a few pieces of some chicken breasts, okay? And let me get my, my little cutting tray thing here, and this one's for meat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken breasts, and I usually just buy them like just the whole chicken breast. You can buy some chicken tenderloin if you'd like. That's your choice. But I like to cut off all of the fat parts on them. Anything that doesn't look like I want to eat, I just go ahead and take it off. Okay? So we're just gonna strip that away. Just take it because it's a big old fat piece. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half. Okay? So pretty much kind of like we're gonna like, in a sense, butterfly it. Okay? But we're gonna cut it all the way through, just like that. So now we have two pieces, okay? And we're gonna do that to all our chicken breast pieces. Started out with 3 chicken breasts and now I ended up with 6 fillets, okay? What we're going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and already preheat my little pan with oil in it to 300 and let's say about 25 degrees, 325, because again, we're gonna fry them. And I love this thing because I found this at a Goodwill store for like 12 bucks. And so I've kept it. It's been a lifesaver when I do not want to fry inside the house. It's electrical, just plug it in and I fry whatever I need to outside. And now we are going to take our, whatever Ziploc bag you have, just use a gallon Ziploc bag. And we're just gonna take our chicken and we're gonna place 2 pieces in there, okay? And we're gonna pound it out, all right? So I'm gonna set this aside here, just like that. Okay, because we want them thin. We don't want it too thick, and we wanna make sure that it is even in size. All right, so those 2 are done. And again, we want them thin because we want them big, thin fillets, just like that, okay? Those 2 are done, and we'll stick it and we'll repeat. So now that we've already filleted our chicken breast, this is exactly what you want and what it's gonna look like. We're gonna go ahead and in a separate bowl, we're gonna take 2 eggs, okay? And that's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need 2 eggs, and we are just going to beat the eggs. Go ahead and set it to a side. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our mixture. This is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need some Panko Bread Crumbs, okay? And then we're gonna need some grated or shredded Parmesan cheese. I had a block of Parmesan cheese, and so what I did is I just pretty much diced it into pieces and then threw it in my hand blender and blended it up, and this is exactly what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna season this. And so with that, we're gonna need some garlic salt, okay? Be generous, only seasoning this. We are not gonna season our chicken, okay? And we're gonna do some onion powder, just like that. And then parsley flakes. Generous with the parsley flakes. Just like that. We're gonna do some paprika. Let me see if I can do it with this side. Oh, there we go. Easier for me to just do it that way, okay? And then salt and pepper, okay? Just like that. And pepper, okay? Then you're just gonna get your hands in there and you're gonna just mix it around, okay? just like that. Okay, now after you do that, you're gonna take your Parmesan, shredded Parmesan cheese, and you're just gonna toss it in there as well. Just like that. And then mix again. Okay, smells so good already. Just get every little piece in there, okay? Okay, so again, guys, if you've seen some of my videos, I like to set up my station in the way that I am going to coat my stuff. So here, this, and then my flour, okay? And I know I put salt in here, but sometimes I just like to put a little bit of salt in the egg mixture, which I'm gonna actually do now, okay? There's just a little bit of salt in there as well. Stir that up again, just like that. All right, now for the easy part. Got my tray here, and just gonna take your chicken breast and you're gonna coat it in flour first, okay? Just like that. Not too much, it doesn't have to be thick, just make sure that you get it coated like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and stick it in the egg wash, okay? And then we're gonna stick it in our lovely Parmesan crusted mixture, just like that. Okay, get it nicely breaded. Make sure every part is coated, okay? Just like that. You set it there, set it on your tray. And then we're gonna repeat. We're just gonna repeat each step. All right, so now that all of our chicken fillets are nicely coated, look at how beautiful that is. I mean, it even smells amazing, not even being cooked yet. Okay, so we have our pan of oil already preheated at 300 at about 25, 35 degrees, okay, just how we want it. And we're just gonna taste, we're gonna not taste it, we're gonna test the oil, okay? So to test the oil, you just throw in a little bit and it's bubbling up, so it's ready. Right, we're gonna throw in our first fillet in there, and you have to gently place it in there, okay? Do not overcrowd your oil pan because you wanna give them room to cook. Okay, just like that. And it'll usually take about maybe like 4 to 5 minutes on each side to cook. So just monitor it, and then we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna just fry all of these up, and we'll show you exactly what it's gonna look like and what it's gonna taste like at the end, okay? You can see it, it's already getting toasty brown, just the way we want it. We wanna just go ahead and flip it over and let it cook for another 3 minutes. That literally took about 3 minutes, okay? We don't wanna burn them. We want them to look nice and golden brown. This is exactly how we want it to look, nice and golden brown, just like that. We're gonna just take it out and let it rest on some napkins and layer it onto a plate, a few napkins, so that way it catches all the oil. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and repeat the process with our other chicken, okay? So this is exactly what you want it to look like. I just put mine with a side of white rice. I wanted white rice today because yesterday I had pasta, so I'm doing white rice. You can put some vegetables. We usually do like corn or like a medley of vegetables. But yeah, this is exactly what I want, and so we're gonna go ahead and try it. I have some pesto sauce here that I'm just gonna add because I just want a little sauce. If you don't want sauce, sometimes I eat it without sauce, and it's just amazing. You can use ketchup, have your kids put ketchup or whatever they want on it. Every time I go to Las Vegas, my sister's like, you need to make me your chicken. So this one's for her. You hear that crunch, guys? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh, that screeched my ears. Look at that, guys. Perfectly done. Put a little bit of sauce. Wow. And it's nicely salted. I mean, you don't have to add any extra salt to the chicken. Just put it in your mixture and it'll be just perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so yummy. And so easy, guys, to make for your family. And inexpensive too. Wow. The chicken is so moist. Guys, I mean, like, it's moist. Look at that. Look at how juicy and moist that chicken is. Guys, I really hope that you guys try this. So easy. Make it for your family. Make it for yourself. And if you do, tag me in it on your social media. Again, thank you so much for coming into my kitchen on What's Cooking Coco. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe, and the bell, so that way you keep updated with videos that I come out every week. Okay? Until we see you again next time. Bye. Yeah. This one came out really good.